Hello fellow shop owners, let me just tell you, it's time to make some room for productivity. And one of the things that needs to happen is you might need to get out of the way. Hi, I'm Sanchez, AMI credit instructor and CEO and founder of Autoshop Solutions. In this new class, got some real insights on how business owners sometimes get in the way of their own productivity and profitability. As we all know, there are a lot of different things that happen around the shop environment, hundreds as a matter of fact, and none of which we can control 100% of the time. That's why we need to hire great people in order to move the business forward and trust them to do the right things. Yes, you need to have processes and procedures, and so this part of this class is going to be helping you establish those components so that you can trust that your team is doing the right things for the right reasons and is helping you grow the business. Now, I'm not suggesting that it's easy, and some of them are very long-term approaches, but I can tell you that if you follow some of the principles in this class, you're going to have a long-term business that's more profitable and with a happy group of people working with you as well. So please join me for this class.